Hello everybody and welcome back to the Video Geek Squad channel. In this video we're going to actually be doing a review and demo of the Switchy IO app where you can track your links with Switchy IO. Now in this particular video I'm going to be going over some of the features and benefits of this particular product, and I'm going to be talking to you about using this particular product, especially if you're going to be doing any sort of advertising or anything like that. This has the ability to sort of really help you build out your link tracking and your ability to do that. Now, for those of you that are new to the channel, this is a review channel where we review products that will help you grow your business, grow your influence so you can learn, grow, and build. Now, here's the thing. For those of you that have been following the channel from its inception, just wanted to let you guys know we're going to be doing a lot more of these types of reviews of the products that we find, and we're going to be putting these on here for you. And the reason why we're doing that is because of the data that we're seeing from our YouTube channel. All right, now this is another Appsumo product. And Appsumo is the premier place for getting your software and your lifetime deals for software. So this is a premier product. Now, when you go here, you'll see that Switchy is really to help you sort of boost your engagement and your conversions, and really to help you with your retargeting links. They've got about 207 reviews, and the product is just an awesome product. This is the actual product that I use. And you hear people say, great app, I just have one question, and you'll have lots and lots of questions. And the thing here is the people who actually come back and answer the questions. So you want to make sure that the persons are really answering the questions and following up to make sure. Now, this is going to handle all of your link tracking from all of your social media, such as Pinterest, Instagram, Facebook, all of that. Okay. So it's just going to make it really easy for you to track those links that you are using. Okay, now one of the things that I really like about this product as well is it's just really easy to use it. It's not overcomplicated. It's really easy, and you can literally have your link done in less than like 2 minutes. I mean, that's how simple it is, and so I really like it. So you get to customize, track your links, and so forth. All right. Now, before I go into the features there, let me just go here. You get lifetime access to it. All the future plans and updates. You have to redeem the code, of course, within 60 days. And you can stack up to 5 codes. You're going to get 404 redirection, direct sharing, tags. Now, one of the things that I don't know if it's here, but I also use it for my own domain. So my links aren't hosted on their domain. It's actually hosted on my own domain. And I'm looking to see... did I see that tags management, link rotator, full tracking, multiple workspaces, embed widgets of any links. You can add notes to monitor your campaigns, and you have a Chrome extension. Okay. Plus you get some smart pages, and I'm going to be going over that with you in just a second. And so, here it is. And you get 8 custom domains here. All right. So that's the thing that I was looking for. You get 30,000 clicks per month. And this is going to depend on how many clicks that you're currently getting and where you see yourself going in the future. If you're going to be doing a lot of advertising, you're going to be doing a lot of stuff, you might want to consider making sure that you get the larger deal here, because that's going to be really important. So if you're going to be doing advertising or some type of ads, you want to do something like 90,000 clicks. You want to make sure that you're getting as many clicks as possible. And keep in mind, guys, you can stack the codes here. So if you want to get even more codes, if you do 4 codes, you can get 120,000 clicks a month. If you want to do 5 codes, you can do 350,000 clicks a month. And that's really going to depend on how much advertising you're doing and where you're, pulling in all of your links from. Okay, so that's one thing that I would definitely tell you as it relates to that as well. Okay. All right. So let's go into a couple of things here in regards to this. All right. So here's what you can do. With this particular product, you're going to be able to edit the title, the domain, the description, and your image. Okay. So you can even edit your images as well. You can add your retargeting pixels, your YouTube UTMs, tags, geo redirect, A/B testing, and so much more stuff. Because you can even rotate the links as well. So if you're a link rotator or something like that, and you're in a rotating club, you can actually do that as well. Once you've generated, your links and so forth, you can track the user's engagement, so you can get some sort of look behind the scenes to see what it looks like. And so that way you can really monitor all the stuff that you're doing. They also have smart pages, and we're going to take a look at that and dive into that a little bit more. But you can get all the analytics that you need to get, and it's a really awesome product, and I'm glad that I purchased this particular product. Now, the price starts, of course, at $39. You have, it can go as high as the $195 that I mentioned before, and that's going to depend upon how many clicks that you're actually doing. Okay. Now, there have been some old affiliate link cloakers and stuff like that in the past, and those things haven't always been the best, but I think this particular product got it right, and I think it's a very simple product, and it's something that we'll be able to use for the future. So let's get into the demo, and let's take a look inside of the Switchy app. All right, when you initially log into Switchy, this is going to be your dashboard screen, and of course your dashboard is going to be completely blank. You're not going to have any links that you've cloaked yet. Now, the fastest way to cloak a link is to actually put it in here and just hit switch it. And the moment you do that, it will actually convert the link on your behalf. Now, I'm going to show you something really quick and just make it really easy. Let's do one to Google. We'll just do one to Google. Just simple as that. We're gonna switchy this link over to Google. So you would just put in the Google link and you would hit switch it, and it's going to generate a preview. Now you actually can change this picture. It just has to be 1200 by 630, and you can ultimately change this as well as your description, which is really good in case you're using it for Facebook. Now, if you have a pixel, you can add your Facebook pixel ID here. Okay, you can do that as well, and you can do a couple of other things here as it relates to tracking. So you'll be able to do that as well to help you figure out where it comes from. Also, you have my domain, and so it will be Digital Learn Deals, and then it will be / and whatever I put here. So whatever name that I type there as well. Now there are some advanced options, it says here. This is where you can put it in a folder. You can add notes. You can create an embed widget for this. You can do some deep linking, okay, because there are some other deep linking integration stuff as well. You can have link cloaking, and that makes it really easy. And if you're doing a rotator A/B testing, you can do that here as well. This is how, if you wanted to make it expire at a certain time, you can assign it to a expiration date, and if you wanted to do a favicon change, you can do that as well. You can also protect the link with a password, geolocation, so you can add a redirection there. You can add some tags to it. All right, so this is a really, really good tool. And a lot of tools back in the day, if you had a tool like this, you had to pay a lot more money just to be able to track this stuff and to do it properly. And so, nowadays you can really do it without, having all of this difficulty. So yeah, so it's really, really cool, and it's very easy for you to use. I've got about 37 links in here right now. And what I love about it is it'll tell you how many clicks that you've gotten on the links. Also, you'll be able to see the link. If you just click on it, it'll show you what it looks like. And a lot of these guys will be self-populated. So you don't even really have to do very much unless you want to change the description. You can change the description for yourself. Let me see if I can find one that I had to do. Did I do this one? I might have done this one. Yeah. I actually created this link and put this picture in here. So this is something that I actually created for myself. And so it makes beautiful, beautiful links. So in case you're putting this on Facebook or Instagram or something like that, it makes it really, 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 really easy. Okay. Now, I want to tell you that you can also create what's called a smart page. And what smart pages are, these are the pages. Let's just say we were going to create a smart page. These are the pages that you see on people's Instagram, their link in their bios, maybe on Twitter, where they have like a link in the bio. And this is so that people can come directly to a page really, really quickly, and they can do it. And you have choices between beauty, health, restaurant, travel, fashion. And so this is an all-in-one product. So you don't have to go out and look for another little smart page builder like this. So not only do you have your link builder, but you also have your smart page builder. So let's say, for instance, you are a barber and you're looking to do some advertising in your local area. You'll actually be able to create a smart page, and you can do your advertising, and people will be able to buy stuff from you. Even if you like have a video, if you have a something that you're offering, you can put that here, and they can subscribe to your email list, all sorts of things that they can do in this particular case. And so that's what I think is really, really, truly awesome about this, and it makes it really, really easy. So very, very, very cool. And then you have all of your social media links down at the bottom of the page, and you can have that as well. So it's pretty cool. And then you could do like a WhatsApp or Messenger app, or you can even have a button here where they can literally call you. So it's either send me a message, text, chat with me now, or call me. So it's really cool. You can even have them to book an appointment with you. So if you're giving them out your information, they could book appointments with you and get with you right away. So this smart page is really, really cool. And you have different options as far as what you can choose. If you're an influencer, you can click on influencer, and this will give you some options for that. So it's really, 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 really cool. Okay. So I just love that. You also have a Chrome extension. You just click on the Chrome extension, and this will add this URL shortener, so you don't even have to go in there to do it. You can just add it, and with the click of the button, we just added the Chrome extension. And so that's really, really cool as well. So as you see how quick that was, it's pretty simple. You just click on it and it's done. I hadn't even done that yet for myself. You've got integrations as well. Let me show you some of these awesome integrations that you can do. You can do, this, I mean, it's pretty cool, but anyway, I got distracted. You can actually do stores actually here. So if you've got any, affiliate stuff with any of the stores, you can actually deep link to Best Buy. You can literally put in all of these stores and, create some smart pages and stuff and send people to certain products, and they can actually, do it right within the app. So it's really, really cool. And you guys will be able to do that. So it's really cool. You can even deep link to places like, Uber and Lyft and stuff like that. So it's really, really cool there. If you need any help, they've got a whole help center here to walk you through the process. And so that's really cool. And you can, of course, have your account information there as well. And you guys can create folders. Once you come in here, you can set a new folder in here, so that way you can put certain things in here as well. So it's really, really robust, and it's very, very easy to use. Okay. So when you want the link, you just come in here and you copy it, and bam, you have it right there. If you need to edit the link, you can edit it from here. This will give you your stats, and it'll tell you how many clicks, how many users, how many people have, or how many places have referred it, how many devices have clicked on it, how many countries. So if you look at it here, this is what I really love. You have United States, Armenia, Japan. So you'll know where you're getting your clicks, which is really good if you're doing like affiliate marketing. So if you're doing affiliate marketing, that way you'll know where your clicks are actually coming from. And then if you put some, if you put some tracking on the back end of it, you'll be able to say, okay, this came from Bing or Microsoft or Google, and you'll know where in the world the stuff came from. So it's really, really good. And that's a very good way of doing it. All right. So you have a report link, and you can duplicate the link if you need to duplicate it, etc. So it's really, really cool as far as your links are concerned. So this gives you a little bit more of a robust way of tracking all of your links and controlling your links a little bit better. And of course, you can do them 20 per page, 40 per page, or however you need to do it. And as you can see, I've already started adding some more links in here since 2023. So it's a pretty good link builder, and I think that you guys will love it. Now, I'm going to be putting a link in the description below. Right now, You can get one code of this for only $39, so it's really inexpensive, and you can grab this and make sure that you use it. Now, if you're going to be doing advertising, I'm going to recommend that you at least stack 3 codes of this, because if you stack, because I'm advertising, so I'm just telling you, you're going to need to do at least 3 codes. If you do 3 codes, that's going to give you at least 90,000 clicks a month, okay? So if you're getting more than 90,000 clicks, you're making a whole heck of a lot of money. And so the price should not even be that much of a problem. And some of you maybe have never even given thought to how many clicks in a month you're getting. And so it's something that you'll be able to track a little bit better with Switchy.io. And that'll be able to help you as well when you're doing that. So you'll be able to do some shorten links. You'll be able to track your links better. And you'll be able to, keep a little bit control over where your traffic is coming from. And that's the whole idea here. All right, guys, there'll be a link in the description below. Please, and if you guys have any comments or questions, please leave me a comment below and let me know, and I'll try to answer your questions and maybe go a little bit deeper into the software. All right, guys, because I didn't want to make this review too long. All right, so you're all set, and I'll see you in the next video.